So I got like really bored. I made this. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna teach you how I made it, including this highlight thing, because I haven't really seen that much tutorials that talk about it. Maybe there are, but I just haven't seen them. Alright, so here's the dude. What I did was I got to the part where he shot the gun. I cut it like right there. Boom. I'm really bad at this tutorial stuff. Just make it like really short, 2 seconds maybe. Not 2 seconds. I'm stupid. Yeah, this is what you got. It's supposed to be like this short maybe. So now I'm gonna duplicate this. I'm gonna mask the dude out, but I'll do it with like really simple because I'm lazy. I'll do like separate masks for each part. I suck at speaking. I need to go to speaking school. I need to learn language. We're gonna feather this anyway, so there's no point in making it look good. And it's just gonna be like a split second. So why am I talking like this? Yeah, I think that's enough. That works. I'm gonna feather them out. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna track the mask. Press M twice to bring this out. And then you track the mask, you click here, and then you track the mask. It's pretty short, so it's gonna not take that long. Track the mask for each one. This doesn't look that good, by the way. It's not like really realistic, but it looks fairly okay, in my opinion. And my opinion is right because I am a male. Don't take that seriously, please. Alright, so once you're done with the masking, I'm gonna feather every single one. Like, I won't feather all of them at the same, like, amount. Once you have something like that, then you're gonna turn on 3D. So now, what you gotta do is add a point light. Was it a point light? No, it was a spotlight. I'm dumb. With a smooth fall off. I didn't adjust any of this. Really? Okay, there you go. So now you're gonna try to see where the gun is. I'm gonna put it like right there. So you see this, that doesn't look right. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pre-comp this and the spotlight. Pre-comp, or is it pre-compose? Move all attributes, light. Cool. I'm gonna change the blending mode to, did I change it to? I changed it to add. Change the blending mode to add, and then like add exposure. Oh, sorry. Exposure to make it brighter. That works. So now it looks like this. Oh, it's really slow-mo. Uh-oh. I forgot the stock footage was slow motion. It's okay. So you got that glow thing. But it's really abrupt, so I'm just gonna change the opacity. Change the opacity to 0. Move up like one frame. By the way, you can like change frames by pressing page up and page down on your keyboard. Move up 1 frame and change it to 100. And move another 2 frames. Keep it at 100. And then when it dies, you make it like 0 again. I'm gonna press Alt and left bracket so it trims it to where the playhead is. And now it looks like this. Nice. I just trim it to here because I'm not gonna do the rest. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add I got the muzzle flash. Was the production crate website. I just searched up muzzle flash and I find I've tried to find the one that I like. This one is the one that I like. That is not the one. Oh, I'm stupid. Alright. So then you got this. What you do is you change the blending mode to add. Mine, this doesn't look right. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna flip it. Yeah, you're gonna put it at the end of the gun. And then it's gonna make a cool thing. It's gonna look cool. It's gonna... Yeah. Make it a little smaller. There you go. Boom. There you go. He's loading up a gun. Then you... Boom. Yeah. Okay, the opacity thing is kind of delayed, so I'll just keep it like this. Boom. Yeah, there we go. That's how you add a muzzle flash. You can add stuff like sound effects or color grade, lumetri. You can do this in Premiere. I want to do it here because I'm lazy. Something like that. I'm just giving you the way how you could do it. I'm not saying this is how exactly to do it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Goodbye.
What you know